Alright. Well, I managed to get the bed of the truck up. A little trouble scraping it a little bit. I'm going to have to put some rubber on that or something. But there's the fuel pump. Now to clean it off and take it apart. Order the part, I guess. But I got to learn more about winching things. But it lifted it up pretty good. And now I got to clean this up, so take the take the pump out. So that's where I'm at right now. And this came out pretty good. It's pretty easy, except for scratching that up a little bit. But I think luckily I got paint inside the inside too. So more later.